Good morning everybody and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. This is a bit of a bizarre video this morning. I've just been to drop my car off for a little job doing, and the roundabout I'm zooming in on is the one at the end of Yeadon Way and the M55. So if you remember back that far, it's the one that used to have the lovely sculpture of the fairground on it. And there's a lovely smell of paint and solvents wafting out of these places down here. It smells really nice. So while I've dropped it off and I can either wait or do something, I thought I'd do something. So this is Mearside Park that we're at the sides of, and I'm getting some very strange looks stood in the middle of a roundabout making a video. And we're going to go for a walk along the main somebody waving, they're on video. We're going to go for a walk along the main road to Tesco, at which point I'm going to have a cup of tea. I'm going to have a cup of tea and I'm going to try really hard not to have anything naughty that I shouldn't eat. So it's a long time since I came round this corner. So I thought while I'm passing time, apparently if you're waiting for, you can have something done on your car during lockdown, but if you're waiting, you've got to kind of sit still in one spot. You're not allowed to move practically. They can't give you a brew. So I thought, well, I might as well go and do some jobs, and we'll have a look at a different part of the world that we don't very often see. And like I said, it's quite some time since I came down here, because it's a bit outside my stamping ground, this. Not quite sure what they make. I know the name, but I can't quite place what their product range is. So if you know the answer to that one, pop it in the comments below. I think this is Seagull Field. Apparently at Mearside Park there's a children's playground, football fields and playing fields. Car wash looks like it's just starting to waken up for the day. And I think I'm right in saying that just round this corner there's the super duper new posh police station, which should be just at the back of the car wash. I think there were Blackpool Council buildings, weren't there, that were there, that were demolished. And there were gasometers here. We were talking about, were they at the back of there? We were talking about gasometers at home yesterday. And they were always talking about having gas lamps in the house, and we were saying that the gas that you used in your lights was different to the gas that you used on your cooker and what have you. And I didn't know, but my dad told me that the gas for the lights, the town gas as they used to call it, was I knew it was a byproduct of coal, but I didn't realise that the gasometers were built to store the gas made in that process. So there you go, every day is a school day. Perhaps you've didn't know that either. So I reckon this is the children's playground at the back of Mearside Park. Now over there is also Little Martin Windmill. So if you've not already subscribed to the Visit Fylde Coast YouTube channel, do so, because that's where I'm going after I've had a cup of tea. Now I've just realised that the cafe won't be open in Tesco's, but I'm making an educated guess that they might have a coffee machine. If they've not got a coffee machine, I'm sure there's something that I'll be able to get a drink from. I've got a drink in my bag as it happens, but thought a nice warm one would be nicer. So this is the new police station. goodness, it's the first time I've seen that. Let's move or we'll get knocked down. It's the first time I've seen that in real life. That's posh, isn't it? Goodness me, I like that coloured glass. That's lovely. Kevin took me some photos. I think he came... Oh yeah, he did a click and collect from Tesco early on in lockdown, from this big one here. And when he came to pick the shopping up, I asked him to take some pictures for me because I'd not seen it yet. It's brand new, that. And that's the relocation of the police station from Blackpool Central Car Park, and that's called Gerry Richardson Way. And I believe Gerry Richardson was a police officer that got killed. If you know, again, it's like ask the audience this morning, isn't it? If you know the answer to that one, pop an answer in the comments below. I'm sure the collective knowledge of YouTube will be able to answer that one. It's lovely, that. I really like that coloured glass. I didn't know, I knew it had got these big white sort of patterns on the building. I presume that's structural. But I didn't know it had got that coloured glass. That's really nice. Oh, you can just see the top of the windmill. In fact, I'll just walk a little bit further. We'll get that chimney pot out of the way. There you go. I didn't realise it was so near. You see it? You see the fan blade and the sails. Oh, and it's just starting to rain, wouldn't you know? Put my hood up. I've got my super duper new waterproof winter coat on, bought especially for the occasion, with plenty of space in it to allow for expansion. And we're nearly at Tesco, so we're not far away. And if all else fails, I would imagine they've got a coffee machine in the petrol station, so I can pop in there. Now the next question is, where am I going to sit down? Because I've got 2.5 hours to kill, and I ain't going to be carrying on walking for 2.5 hours. That's a good question. We'll see what we can find on here. This is Clifton Park Retail Estate, and this is it's a good shopping centre, this one. Although when we moved here it took us ages to find it, I must admit. So that's your petrol station and the main entrance to Tesco at the back of it. Oh goodness me, that looks odd. Look at the car park, it's completely empty. Every time I've ever been here it's been full. That's a really unusual sight that you don't see, isn't it? What a shame, I've got time to kill and the shops are shut. Oh, I don't know. Right, I think you can come to Tesco's with me and we'll go and, you want to know the time, ask a policeman. We'll go and see if we can find something to drink. So normally, normally when I come here, any time of the week really, on any day, this car park is usually full from one end to another, which it's quite strange seeing it empty. So that's the main entrance to Tesco, and I always think it's this one, but it's not. I don't know whether that used to be the main. I bet that was the main entrance before they extended it, because there's a join in the roof there where you can see the tiles are different. So we'll go and see if we can manage to... I could always sit in that bus stop, couldn't I, for half an hour? Oh dear me. Talk about weird and random. So this is the big Tesco that you can see when you come down the M55. And as you're coming down that very last little bit, where it narrows into 2 lanes on both sides, this is the shop that you can see on your right hand side as you're coming into Blackpool. So we've walked sort of in a loop. Maestro, having said that, it's still early as well. It must only be about 9 o'clock. And it's Monday the... Oh, I had a look before I started doing this. Monday. It's Monday. We'll leave it at that, shall we? Right, so I shall leave you here at the door of Tesco. And I'll see you in a minute. So, I found the hot drinks in Tesco. And even though the cafe's closed, they're serving drinks in the restaurant to take away. So I've got a cappuccino, and then, oh, look what just happened to fall into my little hand as I walk past. Now the trouble is there's 10 in this bag, and frankly I could eat 10. So I'm just having a little picnic on the fences, on the benches outside Tesco. So I'm going to just have 2 minutes and gather my composure, and then we shall carry on with our walk. Ah, that's better. I dispose of my litter properly, although I've had to walk around the car park to find the bin. Seems a bit odd. Right, so now we're going to go that way, and we're going to walk round to the windmill. So I think in this video you can come with me to the main road, and then you can watch the windmill one separately. So we'll navigate our way through the middle of the car park, and look at that, the sun's coming out for us. It's rained and rained and rained and rained this weekend, so we've been sat inside watching the television and listening to the rain pitter pattering on the window. So I've been making some new driftwood cottages for the orders that I've got and for our shop, and my lovely hubby's been sat painting, well, drawing a new picture of Toby, one of our previous dogs that we had quite some years ago. So it's been a lovely quiet weekend, but it's very nice to see the sun come out. In fact, this morning on the seafront it's very windy, and it's been throwing it down this morning as well. But I maintain the faith and believe that the sun will come out, and lo and behold, it has done. So you can see the windmill there, look. Just at the top of the houses at the other side of the roundabout. And this next building is Glasdon, that you can just see at the back of the Tesco car park. And they're a really big business, and you'll have seen the things they make, even if you don't recognise the name. You'll have seen the things that they make thousands of times, because Glasdon make litter bins and benches and the public stuff that we all take for granted and don't really look at. So things like this trolley shelter down here that keep the trolleys dry when you've done with them and you take them back in the car park, and all kinds of street furniture and interesting stuff. So next time you're out and you sit on a bench, there's an odds-on chance it'll have come from there. And in fact, on Russell Promenade we've got recycled benches, which were made by Glasdon. Oh, now then. So you can see the windmill there, and that's a shortcut that takes you through. And I'm going to walk up to the main road and then you'll see where we are. Blackpool Council building 75 new houses for rent at Troutbeck Crescent. Oh, interesting. They'll be nice. Nice design. Like them. Didn't know they were doing that. Like I said, it's a while since I've been around here. And normally I would make a beeline for that one. Clark's. And then follow closely behind it by Matalan and Next. And all three of them are closed. You couldn't make it up, could you? I don't know. Yeah, so that's Glasdon. And then when we just get up to the end of here, you'll recognise where we are because we're at the main road, which used to be the main access to Blackpool before Yeadon Way was built. And I can remember as a little girl when we used to come to Blackpool using this as the main road into town, and when you got to the windmill you knew that you were in striking distance, and the traffic was awful. It was just continually stop start. It was so busy, and got hiccups. And of course it made a bottleneck, which was a right real pain in the neck, especially when you've got travel sickness like I had. Yes, that's right. I was sat ready for throwing up in the back of the car usually. Or the bus. The bus was even worse. And then of course Yeadon Way connected the end of the M55 to the centre of Blackpool using what used to be the old railway lines. Goodness, they are busy, aren't they? So that's the petrol station. And that's the round. Oh, that sunshine, lovely. So where those trees are, right underneath the sun, that's the roundabout where you come off if you want to come to Tesco. And this is, I think it's Blackpool Old Road, isn't it? I think. There you go. And there's no shortage of sirens either in this area because obviously we're quite near to the police station. Trees presented to Blackpool Council by Glasdon Group to commemorate the Queen's Diamond Jubilee 2012. So these little trees are obviously the newest ones that were planted, and there's some more down there, look on that corner. So I hope you've enjoyed this little, noisy, this little walking tour of a patch of Blackpool that you perhaps don't often see all that much. We're going to go that way next and make our video of the windmill, wherever it is. So don't forget to subscribe to the Visit Fylde Coast YouTube channel. Hit that little bell for notifications and you'll get an alert to let you know when we've made new videos. And don't forget to share it with your friends as well. And if I've got anything wrong, correct me in comments. See you later. Bye.